Hi, my name is Katie Allen from Beyoutiful Wandz, and I help lash artists just like you with tips and tricks that I've learned along the way to help me succeed. Welcome to Lash Executives. When I started my company about 4 years ago, I had a head start with making and building my brand, and I didn't even know that I was doing that. I started an Instagram page and a Facebook without having the unbiased opinions of all the other lash brands out there. I was brand new in the industry and I didn't know one lash brand from the other. And so when I started, it was 100% authentic, what I thought was important, what I was bringing to the table. And in doing that, it grew my brand exponentially. I think one thing that people get caught up in when trying to create and build their brand is making sure that they're checking off all the boxes, that they're doing it the right way, that they're following the steps in order to be successful. And when they do that, they're actually hindering themselves from growing and being different than everybody else. Stop trying to fit into the box. Stop trying to make your brand so appealing on Instagram. It's time to start being raw. Get out there, show the real you, show what you're really doing for this industry, for your family, for what you are, who you are. And I promise you that is going to grow you and your brand so much more than checking off all the boxes that you need to check in order to grow your brand. So when I get on Instagram, I try not to paint this pretty little picture for everybody. I am a mother of 3. I have a very hectic life. And so 90% of the time, I have my hair up in a bun, no makeup on, and I'm just getting as much done through the day that I can. I think that when people jump on Instagram and they look perfect and they're portraying that, it's actually a negative thing for us as women because you feel like you need to do that too. And I'm sorry, but I don't have the time to get up and make sure that I look perfect for Instagram every day. I have 2 businesses to run. I have 3 babies to take care of, and that's the last thing on my mind. And I think that needs to be more prevalent in Instagram and with businesses and women business owners today. This has been another episode of Lash Executives, where we give you tips and tricks that we've learned along the way. Don't forget to subscribe down below, click that bell. Thank you, and stay beautiful.